Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I will show you how to download and install SQLite on Windows 11 operating system. SQLite is a serverless and self-contained database, which means you can create SQLite database on your local computer without any server configuration. You can also easily transfer SQLite database from one computer to another without any server configuration. So let's see how we can install SQLite in our Windows 11 operating system. Open your web browser and Google search SQLite. Press enter. Now click on this link from SQLite.org. SQLite.org is the official SQLite website. You can see a download tab here in the top menu. Also, you can see a download button under the latest release section. You can click any of these download links. I will click on this download tab at the top. Here you can see various versions of SQLite downloads. For example, source code download, documentation, precompiled binaries for Android, precompiled binaries for Linux, etc. We are interested in precompiled binaries for Windows listed here. Here we will click on the third link in that section, SQLite tools, this one. You can also read a description for that. It's a bundle of command line tools for managing SQLite database files, and it also describes what components the download includes. So click on that zip file download link. The download has started. Now once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. So this is the downloaded file. I will extract the zip file. This is the extracted folder. Double click. So these are the contents of the folder. There are only 4 files. Now what I will do is rename this folder to SQLite. Let us rename it as SQLite 3. Let us copy this folder to right click and copy and paste it to C drive. Just paste it here. So SQLite 3 is copied into C drive. Now what I will do is add this path of the SQLite executable. So this path C drive SQLite 3 to the system path, so that we can call SQLite executable in the command prompt. So copy this path. Can minimize this. Search for environment variables. If you type first 3 letters, you can see a link like this. Edit system environment variables. So click on that. Go to environment variables. Under the system variables, click on the path section. Click edit. Click new. So right click and paste the path we have copied. Press OK. OK. And OK again. So we have added SQLite path to the system path. So let's try calling SQLite 3 from the command prompt. So open the command prompt. Now type SQLite 3, press enter. So showing SQLite version 3.47.1. This means SQLite 3 is successfully installed in our system. Also you can see SQLite shell is started here at the bottom. Now we will see some basic SQLite commands. For example, if you type .help and press enter, it shows all the available commands with SQLite. Also .quit command will quit the SQLite shell, and we have reached the normal command prompt. One more thing, I will show you how we can create an SQLite database. For that, let me create a folder in my desktop. Let me name it as SQLite -databases. So now we can go into that location. For that, cd desktop / SQLite -databases, enter. So we are in the newly created folder in the command prompt. Now to create a new database, new SQLite database, type SQLite 3. Let us name it as sample database, sample.SQLite. Press enter. Now to see all databases, type .databases command. Press enter. So you can see this is the last database we have created, sample.SQLite. So in this video you have learned how to download and install SQLite 3 on Windows 11 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching the video.